Hi guys! Today is gagawa tayo ng French sable cookies. Ayan. Ito na. Umpisa na natin. So, ito na yung ating mixture ng flour, butter, and vanilla. Ayan. So, ngayon, ang shape natin is butterfly. Ayan. And cloves. Okay. Okay, lagyan na natin sa ating oven. 180 degrees for 20 minutes or 25. Ayan ang ating clove shape and ang ating butterfly. Ayan. Ang ating shaper, ang clove at ang butterfly. So ayan na, luto na yung ating sable. Ang ating butterfly and clover. Ayan na, ready na ang ating sable, ang ating cloves, clover, and butterfly shape. Yummy!